Today on Trash Panda Off-Road, we do a quick walk around the vehicle I just purchased in order to replace the wrecked convertible I decided to just give up on. As you can see by what we got going on back here, and this isn't even all of them, starting to think I have a problem. But you can't run a Geo Tracker YouTube channel if you don't have some Geo Trackers. This is what we ended up with. 94 Geo Tracker has the 1.6 liter. This is the 8-valve motor, 94, so it has a little bit different electronics than, say, the 89. I believe that one is also a 94, the off-road truck, the actual Trash Panda itself. So should have just the same stuff in here. This one does have the aftermarket exhaust, which is nice. Has a snorkel, which is also kind of nice. Not really the reasons I bought it. Bought it because it wasn't terribly expensive. These things are going up in value like crazy, and I needed a commuter car, so found this one. Again, they don't sell them in my area. This was another 3-hour drive, I think, in order to go pick this one up. 4x4 mile marker hubs. Has some A-arm armor on there that I'm going to take off. Right there. Has a little plastic skid plate, which I'm going to replace with the actual skid plate that's on the other side of the shop. Soft top that I'm going to replace with that one. Not because it's bad, well, it is kind of bad. Its zipper's broken here, and the sewing threading is coming out right there. Plus, I like having the removable sides, and this one does not have removable sides. So we're going to put this top onto that rig. Obviously, 205 tires are coming off. I think that's about all for the exterior. Kind of basic, like most of them are. Nothing fancy. Inside here, door panels are in good shape. Carpet is gone from the front seats. I'm not sure why. But never fear, there's carpet right over there. So that's coming in here. Back seat's in really nice shape. Sweater. Well, maybe not. Not gonna fold down for us, so we'll have to check that out. Oh, this is the first mod I did. I took this thing off the steering wheel. Couldn't handle it. So that popped right off. Had to take that off about 4 miles down the road. This is a 5-speed car. So out of all the trackers I've owned, this is my first 5-speed. Got the fancy skull shift knob. Don't know if that's going to stay or not. Needs 4-wheel drive knob that I have. I think I'm going to take some of the interior out of that one. Perhaps do the side rails up here. That kind of stuff. It does have the upgraded pieces inside. Oh, uh-oh. Maybe that's cranked down too tight. I haven't tried to mess with the top. There it goes. So, those of you guys who don't know, these little clips in here are usually plastic, and they break quite often, but you can get these little anodized metal replacements, and the previous owner took care of that. But boy, that's tight. That's not right at all. So I'm gonna have to mess with that. This one's the same way. Yep, they're both cranked on there really tight. So just another thing we'll have to deal with. Really, that's about all. It's not terribly fancy, but it will get us where we need to go. Hi, shop dog. Barking at the neighbor's goats. What do you think, dog? Looks just like the other one? So in the future, of course, we're going to do all that stuff we mentioned to the interior. We're going to put the spacer lift that we took off of this rig onto that rig. I also ordered a bunch of parts from Low Range for this rig the 3 days before it got wrecked. So all those parts will go onto this rig. The soft top roof rack will end up on this rig. This rig here, the new one, is going to get power steering because I have a set from a wrecking yard right there. I also, if I need to, for some reason, there's still one over here in the wrecked rig. So, a lot of small parts that we're going to move over and check it out. But I've only had this rig for a day, so far so good. I like it. That's about it for now. If you guys are interested in seeing how this thing turns out, and of course I'll do the how-tos on the installation of most of the things that I do, by all means subscribe to the channel. Please, of course, as always, put your comments down below. You know, we're trying to build a network here. Everybody needs to know how awesome these rigs are. Oh, actually, never mind. They don't need to know. Keep it a secret, just between us, because they're already getting expensive. Other than that, follow along on Instagram. Post updates every day. And as you can see, I got a lot of stuff to update on. Other than that, guys, thanks a lot for watching. And we'll see you guys on the next time.